Get excited about the 2020 Ford F-450. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, and more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.